This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a primary class that matches what you do best. Assault for front lines, support for sustain, recon for scouting. Combine 2 passive perks and 1 active ability so your kit complements your tactics. Once done, pick the main weapon and a secondary for backup. Equip 1 grenade and choose either medkit or repair tool depending on role. Make sure to set ammo type and a minor upgrade. These first steps lock your early performance and tempo in only way. Now fine-tune your loadout as the match evolves. Change barrel, sight, and magazine to push range or control recoil. You should balance weight. Remove bulky gear to improve sprint speed and aim down sight time, because mobility changes engagements. Once you see enemy composition, swap perks or an ability to counter them. For example, pair support heals with an assault push to sustain a breach. Make sure to test 1 change at a time, so you understand how each mod shifts your effectiveness in the middle. Finish by focusing on your class objective, secure, defend, or extract, while monitoring cooldowns and conserving ammo for decisive fights. Reposition frequently and communicate simple calls. Movement and timing win rounds. Once done, rotate to the next critical area and hand off tasks if out of resources. If you're failing repeatedly, reset the class. Change 1 major item, like weapon or active ability. Then retry the strategy. This isolates what's broken and restores momentum fast. Keep calm and adapt quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.